Hey, what's up you guys? It's me, Lady Simone, and I am back to review some beautiful Afro kinky curly extensions from the brand Amazing Beauty Hair. These are 100% human hair extensions. They sent me 2 bundles, and when you open up the curls, they come with a nice little net to keep the curls nice and uniform. You want to take that off. Inside the box, they do come with an extra clip, but a duck clip, as well as a wide tooth comb for detangling, but I can't find mine. And as you guys can see, the beautiful ringlets on these curls at the ends, oh my gosh, amazing. We're gonna go right ahead and install them. So if you guys want to see how I install these clip-ins, just keep on watching. So first things first, my curls were already moisturized and defined, as well as the clip-ins, because at this point I have been wearing the clip-ins for 3 days and I just needed to show you guys how I installed them. I went ahead and I layered some of the clip-ins, started one section, and I put 2 clip-ins on top of each other. So double stack the clip-ins. The sets came with 1 set of 4 clip-ins, 2 set of 3 clip-ins, 3 sets of 2 clip-ins, and 2 sets of 1 clip-ins. I hope that that was not confusing for you guys. They were a little bit more easier to install for me personally on dry and defined hair versus wet defined hair, because mine is a little bit thinner, so it was a little bit more easier for the clip-ins to have something to grasp on when I did them for my personal hair. I did get a little bit of shedding. Now, I'm not too crazy about hair shedding. I do not like the feel of wet hair or shedding hair on my skin. I just don't like it. But I did get a little bit of shedding. These are curly clip-ins, so when you are defining them, they are a little bit more susceptible to getting, you know, a few strands here and there. But it was nothing too crazy, nothing that I could not manage. One thing I do really love about this hair is the luster that it keeps, the moisture that it keeps. I really did love wearing this hair. Literally blends so well with my curls, and I'm just really happy that these blended super well with mine. For the bangs, I used 1 set of the 2 clip-ins and 2 of the 1 clip-ins to help with the volume and the density. To define the curls, all I used was a little bit of leave-in conditioner. I used some coconut oil too, but that was off camera, and I used a little bit of the Eco Styler gel. But because I was reinstalling these, all I needed was a little bit of leave-in conditioner, a little bit more of Eco Style gel to, you know, manage and define the curls that were on top of my head. So in order to frame my face, I literally just cut in a diagonal down. I cut in a diagonal down all around my head to kind of shape and frame. I really did enjoy loving these beautiful and lustrous bangs, so I'm really excited that these came out the way that I envisioned them to come out. And I do have more styles in mind. If you guys want to see more styles, make sure that you guys thumbs up this video, tell me down below in the comments, and make sure you guys go and check out Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions. I will leave all of the information down below for you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Ooh.